Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Sean, and I got the Incase Slider for the iPod Touch 2nd generation, right there. Alright, so I got this at the Apple Store today. They finally restocked. They're all out for like a week after Christmas. So yes, I got the black. It's the softer, grippy version, not the plastic slippery ones. I don't know why I'd get that. It's matted. Yeah. Alright, so slide the bottom piece off there. And I'll slide this out there. And there's a lot of dust in there. So I'm going to cut this and clean this out real quick. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I just had to wipe down the inside real quick. It was really dusty. Alright, so inside of the case it comes with this. And there's nothing inside there. No screen protectors. Which is a bummer because it is a $35 case. So it says care here. And tells you regular cleaning of your iPod Incase product is recommended to prevent dust and other particles from building up on the screen of your iPod or case interior. If you do not follow a regular cleaning schedule, dust and other particles may cause slight abrasion to your device. Alright. So you're going to want to wipe it down every once in a while. Nothing's in here, just empty boxes. And nothing else in the case. Here it says Ultra Slim Soft Touch Dockable and Slider Design. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this off my iPod. And I already cleaned it really well before I did the video. So I'm assuming there's two rubber rails right here. If you can see that. They're not very big. They just hold the iPod up so it doesn't get scratched from the plastic. So I'm just going to... At first it's really easy to slide in there, but it does get a little bit snugger. Yeah, it's getting really tough now. Alright, looks like it's all in. And see that it is lifted off the iPod a little. And I'll take this the bottom piece, and this just slides in just like that. So it's a nice fit. It feels nice, not slippery, kind of grippy, but it's like almost like a rubber feel. And I wish they kind of put a rubber over the buttons so they're not exposed, they don't get lint in there, but you can still access them. Yeah, I can easily press that in the volume, easy. And then you got your dock and your headphone jack open. So right now I like it so far better than the protective cover. So I'll be using this and I'll have a review coming out to you guys in a few days. And this is just an unboxing, so not a review. I'll have one of those out in a few days after I get my Flip Nano HD. So I'll have some HD quality videos. Yeah, so it's a nice case so far. And I'll talk to you guys later. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.